I like stripes. By Deborah Schichter. A candy cane has stripes. I like stripes. Toothpaste has stripes. I like stripes. A flat has stripes. I like stripes. A zebra has stripes. I like stripes. A street has stripes. I like stripes. A ladybug has stripes. No, no, no. A ladybug has spots. I like spots. Like, share and subscribe to Arsal Academy and not forget to hit the bell icon.